Hi, folks. I'm Ben Nash with the Partnership for Children and Youth, aka PCY, and the California After School Advocacy Alliance, aka CA3. We have some very exciting news. Assembly Bill 1113 by Assemblymember Kevin McCarty, which CA3 has sponsored for the last 2 years, was just signed into law this week by Governor Newsom. AB 1113 was introduced in 2023 to address a fundamental issue for the expanded learning field, a lack of statewide data. AB 1113 will add expanded learning programs, that's after school, summer, and intersession programs, to the State Department of Education's data system known as CalPADS. Beginning in the 2025 school year, the state will begin collecting data to learn how many and which students are enrolled and participating in expanded learning programs. This data will help the state to fulfill its promise of universal access to expanded learning opportunities. With this data, we'll also know more about the demographics of students and families, students' test scores, rates of discipline, and more. For students in expanded learning programs, their school attendance and graduation rates, their academic performance, and their college attendance numbers, to name a few. This data requirement will help ensure that expanded learning is better integrated and coordinated with the school day, help us to close opportunity gaps, and protect expanded learning programs for future generations of students. AB 1113 also includes language that the legislature intends to provide equitable after-school opportunities to middle and high school students, although this bill doesn't change that amount at this time. State data collection and reporting is a huge win for our sector and is the culmination of many months of hard work and advocacy by educators, community partners, advocates, parents, and students. Assemblymember McCarty approached our coalition to help sponsor this bill. AB 1113 spanned 2 legislative sessions and ultimately had 0 no votes in the state legislature. That bipartisan, unanimous support was the result of many hours of negotiations with dozens of legislators, the governor's office, educators, and the Department of Education and other stakeholders. For years, Assemblymember McCarty has been a key champion for expanded learning programs. As his term ends in the state legislature this year, we're grateful for his dedication and we commend him on his years of service. This victory was only possible by utilizing the collective knowledge and action of our state's expanded learning leaders in CA3. If you want to build on this momentum, join us.